Thank you guys.
Bear and a fisherman. We got a seal. Oh, look at that.
We gotta be back on the...
So this is where we actually got off the boat, but there's our cabin right there. That window right there. We know because we could see the happy birthday streamer in it. So when we take a look at the whole big boat, that's our window. Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? We are in the state capital of Alaska. You know what that is? Juneau. That's right, we are in Juneau, Alaska. Where'd Emerson go?
She left.
Oh, she's way over there. Why'd you leave?
Because your head was blocking me.
Oh, I'm sorry. So yes, we are in Juneau, Alaska. Juneau. All right, so we're just waiting on Aaron and the rest of the family, and I think Mima, Mel, and Papa Jay is coming, so they're going to meet us up here, right here where we're at. And then we're going to go on downtown to Juneau.
Mima's peeing. She's right down.
That's one of those trolley cars that take you up to the... Come on, focus. Camera focus. There we go. There it is. See it? And that is pretty far up there. I gotta tell you. So we got just about a mile walk into town. We could have chose to take a shuttle bus, but the line was forever. So there's our ship right there. We just walked there, all the way up here. There they are. So we're about halfway there now. So we're about another half mile just out of town. About to get into Juneau. Look at this big old private boat right here called the Serengeti. Nice. L-I-V-I-N. Living.
It is really too bad that we were born so good looking instead of rich.
I know, right? The Taku Fisheries. That's the ice house. Right there.
You see my...
So over there we got the Port Authority and the Border Patrol. Got a lot of shops like Pandora, the Alaska T-shirt Company. There's the Skylift right there. And we're heading right on downtown to historic Juneau. We got a lot of whale watching places. So I'll be turning the camera off and on here as we see different things and cool stuff. See you soon. Well, before I even turn off the camera, how about a big bear? Look at that staircase up there. Can you imagine living up there? That is one long staircase. Right outside the Alaskan Fudge Company. And it's owned by an Alaskan family. Got the House of Russia. Because we can see Russia from our house. I bet you that guy could tell you a tale or two. What? What?
Bad joke. Sam!
Hey, Sam. What's up?
It's Sam!
Bald. What's up, Bald?
No.
Oh. Maybe we should catch up to the others, huh? They always walk so fast. We're always lagging behind. At least you're with me today, baby. Now there's this place up here. It's called the Red Dog Saloon and the Red Dog Mercantile. This is, or was, the oldest bordello in all of Alaska. And it was right up here. One of the oldest professions in the world. Juneau Joe's. Juneau Joe?
Juneau Joe?
I know Joe. Juneau Joe?
Juneau Joe?
The Red Lady, Jewels and Curios. Yep, so there it is. The Red Dog Saloon. We are now in Manila Square. This is Dr. Jose P. Rizal. You know who he was? I'll let you know right now. He's a national hero of the Philippines. Look at this right here. Look at that. Can't even see the tops of those mountains because of the clouds. You can kind of see the outline of it right there. Wow.
No, you get to say it.
Got the ladies' entrance over here. Thank you. Yeah.
Matt.
Oh, I go through there? Yeah, you can go through that one.
Man, I don't have any cards on me, honey. I don't have any cards.
So there's actual sawdust on the ground here. I like the moose up here.
I don't know if I got attacked or got quite.
Check this guy out over here. He looks real. He looks creepy. I like their sign over here. If our food, drinks, and service are not up to your standards, please lower your standards.
Take a picture of that.
Alright, we are now getting the duck fart shot. Duck fart shot is Kahlua,
Yeah, it's a layer shot. It has
Irish,
Baileys and Crown Royal.
Baileys, right? And then whiskey. All the kids are having beer, root beer that is.
Oh God. Okay. Well, you know it's the men mixers. I've never actually seen this. A little sip of that. So no sipping, no stirring, no sharing. Quack quack, knock it back. Quack quack, knock it back.
All right, here we go.
You want me to hold the quack quack, knock it back? Yeah.
Quack quack, you gotta do it here.
3, 2.
Quack quack, knock it back.
Oh wait, 3, 2. Quack quack. You gotta quack it. Quack quack.
Knock it back.
1, 2, 3. Go. Actually pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Quack quack, knock it back, Maddie.
Quack quack, knock it back.
3, 2, 1, go.
That is mighty tasty.
Now it's kind of burning. Look at it. Yeah.
Look at the hat on stand here.
You gotta give me the picture. You gotta give me the finger.
Yeah. Okay, they got their duck parts. There it goes. Quack quack.
Quack quack.
Knock it back.
3, 2, 1, go.
Faster, Jeannie, faster, go.
You have to just knock it back.
You gotta get it going. There you go. Woo! Good job, everyone. Got some live entertainment here.
It was a duck party. I really just did the duck party.
Here, I was looking over
What's up?
I think I have to buy a full version because
Look at that moose. Look at his eyes.
he has never killed anyone, but mine will kill more than one.
Alright.
Quack, quack, knock him back.
Yeah, these are for the 3 steps.
Wait. Not yet. I want to get to like the last.
Okay, drink it quick.
Yeah, I gotta talk to you.
Quack, quack, smell my bag.
Hold on, wait till you get
Clink
down.
glasses there.
All right? Quack, quack,
Quack, quack. Knock it back.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right. And with any good place out there, you gotta exit through the gift shop. Bunch of stuff. Stay wild in the Red Dog Saloon.
Alright, we need to see if we can
I like that shirt right there.
Oh, that's really cool, man. Whatever you want.
Oh, they got magnets here at the Red Dog? So this is the drink that we just had. How do you make a duck fart? It's a quaint little drinking town with a fishing problem. Red Dog Saloon, Juneau, Alaska. All right, so this is the Red Dog Saloon gift shop.
Here's this one too, honey.
That was pretty cool, made out of license plates. But this is the magnet that we're getting. It's the sign that we saw earlier. If our food, drinks, and service aren't up to your standards, please lower your standards.
I love the duck farts.
I know, they went down a little too smooth.
They did go, I thought for sure, like I was scared about the Crown Royal because I'm not a big whiskey fan.
But you hardly tasted it, it was so good.
Because it was the first thing.
Yeah.
We got one.
They layered it right. They layered it right because like the whiskey's on top, so you get the Baileys at the end, and that's gonna sweeten it up.
You gotta sweeten it up, right?
Yeah, that's right. No sipping, no.
Yeah.
What the hell's going on with this?
All right. So it's
Quack, knock it back.
pretty cool today, but it's and it's starting to rain, it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. But we're good. We're fine.
I want my hood.
Okay, we're gonna kind of head on down, right downtown. We're gonna go to 4th Street. We'll make a left and we'll go visit the Capitol building. But you're gonna notice something a little different than any other Capitol building that's out there.
And what's that?
That it does not look like a Capitol building.
Oh, it was
The government of Alaska said, why do we want to charge our people money to build this big extraordinary building when we already have office buildings downtown? And they just converted one of the office buildings into the Capitol building. So it doesn't have a dome or anything.
That makes sense.
They could.
Is that that's the Senate building?
That is the Senate Mall.
The Senate's still in Washington.
But there is still a House of Representatives and Senate here in the federal building.
Really?
Yes. It's starting to rain pretty good now. So we're actually not mad that it's raining because we kind of knew what we were coming into. This is considered Alaska's rainy season. We actually saw Ben Franklin. We went in here, a little 5 and dime, but it's also a hobby shop. Look at the size of this Connects Ferris wheel. We got a couple t-shirts, and some candy.
That was just ash.
Look at the totem poles here. Juneau drug.
Emerson, hold up a sec.
I gotta walk it.
If you want to join the Alaskan National Guard, this is where you go. You got gelato and a bakery here. Look at that beautiful building across the street. Isn't that pretty? Look at this bank. This bank was built in 1891.
Did you film the wall with all the bases?
This is called Susie's Faces. It's a piece of artwork and it's all a bunch of different faces.
That's kind of funny.
Isn't that neat? That's pretty cool. It's called Susie's Faces. All the different faces. So right here on 4th and Seward Street, you got the Legislative Building over here. And a little walkway across. This is the Alaska State Capitol. Just a big old office building. And right in front of it, they have a recreation of the Liberty Bell. Let's go on across. We'll take a look at it. That's a pretty big bell. Gage will stand in front of it and show you how big it is. Yeah, pretty good size. Alright. We're not going to take a big tour of it or anything because it's kind of rainy and everybody's just kind of waiting for us. They do have self-guided tours and guided tours and a Capitol gift shop. Let's go on in, check it out. So like I said, we're not really going to go through it, but I just wanted to be able to say, let me clean off the lens here for a second. Okay, so like I said, we're not going to go through the building, but we got the office of the governor on the 3rd floor. That's Bill Walker. And just wanted to be able to say that Gage and I were standing in the Alaskan State Capitol building. How cool is that? All right. And there's the state seal for the state of Alaska. Pretty darn cool. All right. All right, back out to the rain. So Juneau is full of one-way streets because the streets are pretty narrow. So every other street goes the other opposite way. But I wish it wasn't so rainy. Juneau is a beautiful, beautiful town. And lots to see in Juneau, but this is actually also our shortest of the stops. So it was only from 7 in the morning until 1 in the afternoon. So you got to be on the ship by 1, actually by like 12:45. So
Let's go.
we can go that way if you want. Look at the statue. You got the bird feeding the baby.
I'm not playing with you.
And this is City Hall, right here. This big building right here. And the ships are all parked over here, so we're gonna get on a bus